A good morning to you all. We're talking about communication problems in families. Lesson 4. A man was seen smiling at his phone. A lovely grin occasionally danced across his forehead as he gazed at it. However, his wife sat there with no one to talk to. "Honey, I wish I was your phone," the wife smoothly interrupted the human phone interface. "Why?" retorted the man. "You will be carrying me and smiling at me," gently responded the wife. We need to be mindful of the phone because it is a killer of communication in homes. It must not be used in late night hours unless if there is a critical need. Let there be a time when it is put aside and there is talking to each other. Let it be easy to leave it at home without feeling that the other partner will begin to scan through it. Trusting each other is the key. If one is uncomfortable with his or her phone, there must be something that may be a killer of a happy home. Compare the time that you spend on the phone and the time that you spend communicating with your family. I wish you happy homes where we smile more to the family members than to the phone.